Oh, schau das! Zwei Erdung. Erste Erdung, zweite Erdung. Wie an dem Schaltplan, ganz genau so wie an dem Schaltplan. Außer dass ich statt 9, 9 und 180 habe ich 10, 10 und 2 mal 100 und in Bifilar verbunden, so Bifilar wie diese. Und dann 2 mal 10 Ausgang. Erste, zweite Earth. Zuerst ist die Resonanz nicht gekommen, dann habe ich mit dieser Erde die Basis berührt und kannst nicht glauben, statt der Glühbirne LED 4 Watt Glühbirne habe ich 8,2 Kiloohm dran und es raucht so dort, wo die LED sein sollte. Zwischen der ersten Grund, die sind zwei Röhre in der Erde, echte Gründung. Zwischen der ersten Erde und unsere Primärspule, ich hoffe, dass es nicht brennt, weil die Primärspule sehr dünn ist, der Draht, ja. Ich hoffe, dass es nicht brennt. Aber da fließt von der Erde Unmenge Strom, Mensch. Und der Ausgang, schau. Warte, bitte nicht verrauchen. Na? Okay. Kommt es wieder in Resonanz. Wenn es beginnt zu rauchen, es kommt dann in Resonanz. Muss mit dieser Erde dann Basis berühren. Oder wo habe ich es? Jetzt ist es begonnen. Habe ich Kollektor berührt. Jetzt steigt die Ausgangsspannung. Und es raucht, schau! Schau das! Zwischen der Erde und... Oh nein, aus! Es stinkt. 8,2 Kiloohm und raucht. Unmenge Energie. Von der Erdung, ohne Spaß. Von der Erdung, ohne Spaß. Mann, was soll das? Das. Resonanz. Also, zweiten Versuch hatte ich auch, es leuchtet. Glühbirne leuchtet. Aber dafür diese Wicklung mit 2x100 Wicklung in Bifilar-Modus, ja. Da die große Spule, was auf normalerweise LED geht und Earth One. Und andere Seite auf Basis. What the fuck? Nein! Also die Spule ist so heiß, hat gebrannt meinen Finger, als ich berührt habe. Na warte. Beschütze uns, lieber Jesus. Oh, es kommt sofort in Resonanz. Aber wie heiß ist das? Oh, da zeigt was. Ich muss abschalten, dass die Spule nicht brennt. Das kann ich ganz genau messen. Aber es ist an der Erdung jetzt, an der Erdung. Und das ist extra Ausgang, sollte man zurückführen auf den Eingang. Schnell abschneiden, aber... Das ist... Oder war es nicht heiß? Wo war es heiß? Doch, es war sehr heiß da. Mensch, es leuchtet, das ist zumindest 20 Watt. Nein, so viel nicht, aber 10, 15 Watt schätze ich. Eine Erde, zweite Erde. Okay, und extra Ausgang sollte ich zurückführen auf den Eingang. Warte. So, wir are pulling about half amps, so 520 milliamps circa, and this is 7-watt LED, I mean, and just like before, it's fucking strong. Instead of light bulb, 7-watt LED, because I killed the transistor. The base amperage was too high, so I killed transistor bipolar, and yeah, so I replaced the light bulb for LED. Oh, strong poor camera. You see, the filtering capacitor I took from that, because the filtering capacitor would detune the system, and so let's see. Oh, that is not good. So the third coil seems to not work now yet, so I should tune that, and I have to see again those videos of the Tesla researcher guys. What if I did it YouTube channel, and qAmp Industries and the other guys, because where to put the gleam lamp, to be efficient, to be able to capture more energy from the ground, because it is not free energy. This is just equal with the input, I mean, so it's 6 watt input voltage, 11.5 input voltage, 11.5, so it's not 6 watt, but about, let's say 5.5 watts. And I mean, it is really nice. This LED is fucking strong. Oh, I cannot see it. See if transistor is cold. So let's figure it out, how to get the resonance on the third coil and the plus energy. Where to put the earth grounding. There are 2 of them, 2 earth groundings, and yeah, let's see if you can get free energy. Peace for all. So this experiment gets really interesting. What is that? I placed a quadrofilar Tesla coil, 50 turns, on an aluminium tube, quadrat tube, as core, so that is almost like an air core, but aluminium tube is inside instead of a ferrite. And I use the second earth, no more on this circuit, only one earth, and look at the output voltage of this capacitor as I connect the earth ground. The LED bulb, the LED will lighting a little bit stronger. Look at the output voltage. Do you see it? It's I don't know, 220 microfarad about. So it's claiming, and there is no more. There is less with 10 milliamp less as input. Oh, turn off the soldering iron, and okay, you see 0.32, and if I put earth, so this is a totally separate coil quadrifilar. Then, oh, my battery is low. Battery low. But it's interesting. $10 milliamp less. The light, the LED lights better, and there is extra output on the other one, because those are almost in resonance. But on this transformer, the third coil is not in resonance. I mean, yeah, there is almost 40 volts. There is almost 40 volts on that, so it's doubled since yesterday with the LED circuit. It's better. So it's really interesting. So 0.31 amps on 11.6. Just wait. Yeah, 11.6 input. Yeah, let's see if I can turn it back at the input. I just realized when what the fuck. So this is a separate bifilar coil and quadrifilar. There is also a bifilar with twice 5 turns, but those are all 50 turns, so in resonance with my 100 turns, 10 turns. So if I touch the bifilar, so on the condenser is capacitor is the quadrifilar, and this is a bifilar. If I touch it in series with 1 nanofarad, look at the output. Goes up, and if I let it go, but then it's consuming more, because it's my body, you know. We need a third earth grant. I have already a rod in the earth, but not cable yet on that. So I could have the third earthing. Oh, 50 volts, no way. 50 volts, bam, 50 volts. Just touching and totally separate bifilar. Okay, it's going up. If I touched it, then no, but if I touch this, it's fine. So we need a third earth. begins to be fucking scary because I disconnected the second earth, but I soldered cables on at the output, and they work as an, and it's consuming glass. They work as an antenna. It was on 80 volts, almost 90 volts. It was on 80 volts, so I mean there is something going on with a resonance, you know. I try to put it at the input. Oh my god, 300 volts. 300 volts, but 1 amp in the input, yeah. 325. Jesus Christ, save us. I would like to try that 40 volt lithium package. 333. Jesus Christ, save us. That lamp is full brutal powered. Oh. 340, 38. Oh. So oh yeah, but immediately it claimed that's funny. Look at that. It's a neon starter. Look what is it doing. As the voltage increase, it's lighting, then it shorts. Funny. Voltage. Increase, increase, increase. At 200 volts, it damps. So it's damping itself. Come back. Funny. Funny. Huh. Yeah. I have changed the position of the second earth ground and the aluminium quadrat tube, and it's still on 190 volts on the separate quadrofiler, which is connected on the positive with our input positive. Yeah, 0.32 amps and 11.4 volts input. Whew. And yeah, the neon starter lights up. It's on the border of lighting, of switching, you know, because exact on 200 volts, the neon starter acts as a switch, and it clamps. But to be able fighting it to more than 200 volts, I have to put the second earth. Yeah, and only 10 milliamps different. 10 milliamps different. 20 milliamps different. But there is no more voltage building up on the quadrifier. Again, it is separate, just in resonance. But if I put that back, so 20 milliamps more, but it's claiming again, and it's lighting. But if I put it at the quadrifier center before the rectifiers, it's consuming much more. But yeah, now it is acting as a switch. See it better. You see? But it's consuming much more. So it's clamping back to the input, but it's pointless because it's 3 times more amperage on that. So, but if I let it go, only 30, 1/3 of amp without the earth. There is no more claiming, but if I put back at the core, then it's claiming up to 200 or something like this. 188 about, and only 20 milliamps more. So yeah. So this is coming from the quadrifier negative. Quadrifier rectified 220 microfarad, I mean, I'm not sure. And yeah, so looped back to the input. This is usable because if I disconnect, it's lighting better. But it still is not free energy. To be not free energy. That's something very interesting because it is all resonance. The wall resonance circuit is cycle is working by 2 separated earth grounds. I should make a new one. I have some transistors more. This is PNP configuration, otherwise PNP, not NPN. And I should try with 40 volt inputs. No idea what is going on, but I have already disconnected and it is claiming slowly, but it is claiming. It's disconnected, you see, and this is so-called our so-called second output from the quadrifier. It's claiming. No idea how, but I measure between the input positive, it's connected, all connected, all outputs are connecting. It remains its voltage. It's really interesting. And the negative of the quadrifier output going through this neon starter at the input negative. Now it's going down again, but not really. So I mean, without the loop back, it was claiming before, you have seen it, but now nothing. If I disconnect the earth, put here. What is that? And it's finished. It died. Put it back. And resonance died. So turn it on again. So like that. Oh, it's screaming again. At 200 volts. 190, better say it. 194. 190. It is stabilizing. There. 189. Because it is lighting. The neon starter is lighting, but does not clamping. And as you see, there is 0.3 to so 1/3 amp, 1/3 amp. So disconnect and see what is going on. The condenser is holding the voltage. Okay. So I just forgot when I discharge it. So I put that parallel at the neon starter. Look at that. Yo, please don't kill me. Wait. I almost died. Don't touch the fucking 200 volts again. I did it before. It was not funny. So it was lighting up for a short time. Then it goes again up. You see, it is going again up. And no idea how it is possible. Because it's not connected, you see. Not even connected. It claims again, but how? So it's interesting. What can we do with that? It is claiming again, you see? No. So I try to short it out with the lamp. Yeah, with the lamp. It's a 60 watt lamp, I mean. At least 40. Let it go, and it's claiming again. Slowly but claiming again. I don't know why. Some voltage is circulating. It's in microamp range. In microamp range, but it's charging back itself. This is charging back itself on the quadrifiler. It's funny. Ground it. If I don't ground the core, tube core, if I don't ground, then it doesn't work. So this is the input. Nothing. Turn off. There is the input, and it's claiming. It still is claiming. Funny. So microamp range, free energy. In microamp range. It's really interesting. If I cool the put that 40 volt at the input, then tick 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 tick, clamping. So that would be interesting. I hope then the LED will not die. We have to try it. But this setup is really begins to be really interesting. On the fucking street, there's a fucking homeless living under a fucking bridge among fucking zombies. Yoo! Ta-da! 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 2023 door 2. Okay, he's now he's going back. Now it is going back. 23.1. Okay, so it's claiming, then it goes back and it stays. How about, no idea. No. Let's see later. Peace.